Yo, it's Sizzle 870 coming at you for the 2020 with some new content. Stay tuned. All right, it's time for a new review on some new subwoofers I just ordered. Test these things out. These are 6.5 Rockville subwoofers, 1,000 watt CEA compliant. They're 500 watt power handling a piece, 250 watt RMS. As you can see, they're extremely stiff. I saw them on a guy's page, and I mean, he was beaten. So he said it sounded just as good as him having 412s. We're about to find out. And running to this sucker, I'm gonna have this audiopipe, 600 watt, CEA compliant. And I'm gonna wire these up at 1 ohm because this is a 1 ohm amp. And you see this amp is powerful, even though it says 600 watts. When you get that CEA compliant, then you know you got the real stuff. It comes with its own fuse that it hits so hard. And they say I shouldn't need a capacitor for this, but if I do, I got one. All right, so I had to go get the rest of the stuff. These are the two Nippon sub tubes that I have to put the subwoofers in. They're ported, as you can see. Gonna fill those with polyfoam, and they're rated with the right sensitivity for these subwoofers. Also, I got this capacitor that I was telling you about just in case. And I'm old school, so I'm not gonna put those speakers in the door that you gotta cut out and put in and stuff, because hey, I want to resell that truck one day. But anyway, I got these old school horns. Well, they're brand new, and they're extremely loud. They're 1,000 watts, so I can put a bigger amp on there as I want to on these, and they'll throw out all the words and noise that I need them to, crystal clear. All right, so I'm cheating with these tubes. I broke the back of it off and ran my wire through there, because usually these things come with that little thin wire on it. And I'm not using that thin stuff. Gotta use the thick gauge. So I gotta wire these for 1 ohm. And they're 4 ohm dual voice coil subwoofers. How you know that is, it has terminals on that side, terminals on that side. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take some of the speaker wire and you're gonna run positive on this side to positive on the other side, and negative to negative. And the same thing on these subwoofers. Then you're gonna tie both of those in together and run them into the one port on the mono amp, which this one has too, but you're gonna put it on the bridge for the 1 ohm. All right, so you can get your meter and put it on ohms for resistance and test it, and you should have 1 ohm. And that's only with 2 4 ohm dual voice coil. If these were single voice coil, you'll go from negative to positive to negative, and then run one side out from the negative and one side out from the positive. But that'll be another video. So here's the setup. The red stripe is going to the hot, the plane is going to the negative. Red going to the positive, plane going to the negative, and then the red stripe from the inside of the port, inside of the tube rather, is going to the red, plane and plane. Here's the subwoofer inside of the tube. All right, here are my 2 completed Rockville 1,000 watt K9 subwoofers. Suckers weigh like 50 pounds a piece, 40, 30 pounds a piece, somewhere in there. I don't know. I don't want to lie to you, but they're heavy. They're 1,000 watts a piece, CEA compliant, 500 watt handling at all times, 250 RMS. And I'm about to do another video soon showing you me connecting these suckers to this audiopipe 600 watt CEA compliant 1 ohms amplifier. So stay tuned. New video coming soon. Thanks for stopping by. You have to come check out the next video if you want to hear what those subwoofers are going to sound like. All right.